As technology continues to push the boundaries, it's crucial to have the right tools at your disposal. So, we've scoured the market and narrowed it down to the best of the best. Starting off number 5. ASUS ROG Azoth. First and foremost, the ASUS ROG Azoth doesn't break the bank. It offers an impressive bang for your buck, making it an ideal choice if you're looking for performance without emptying your wallet. Build quality matters, and the Azoth doesn't disappoint. It's built to last with a sturdy construction that can handle heavy usage. You won't have to worry about durability. One of the coolest features of the Azoth is its customizable RGB lighting. With a wide array of colors and effects, you can truly make this keyboard your own, creating a vibrant gaming setup. But it's not all about looks. The Azoth delivers where it counts. The key switches. These mechanical switches provide a responsive and tactile typing experience, which is a must for gamers and those who type a lot. Gaming sessions can get intense, but the Azoth has you covered. It offers in-key rollover and anti-ghosting features, ensuring every key press is registered accurately, no matter how fast you type. Its compact tankless design is not only space-saving but also convenient for gamers on the move. And don't forget the detachable wrist rest. It's all about comfort during those long gaming marathons. Number 4. Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro. Razer's renowned switches provide tactile feedback and impressive durability, making them perfect for both gamers and productivity enthusiasts. They offer that satisfying click you crave. But that's not all. This keyboard goes wireless. The Keychron version cuts the cords, giving you a clutter-free desk setup. Plus, the customizable RGB lighting adds a touch of flair to your workspace. You can tweak the lighting effects and colors to match your mood or gaming setup. You'll also find dedicated media controls, including a volume wheel and playback buttons, so you can easily control your media without interrupting your workflow or gaming session. And for those marathon typing or gaming sessions, the BlackWidow V4 Pro comes with a magnetic wrist rest that enhances comfort and ergonomics. It's all about reducing wrist fatigue. The customization doesn't stop at lighting. Razer's Synapse software lets you remap keys, create macros, and fine-tune lighting effects to your heart's content. It's all about tailoring your keyboard to your specific needs. Durability is a priority here, with a solid build designed to withstand heavy use and countless keystrokes. It's built to last. Number 3. Keychron Q Pro Series. In a world where cables clutter our lives, the Keychron Q Pro Series brings the freedom of choice. You can effortlessly switch between Bluetooth and wired connections, giving you the best of both worlds. Say goodbye to the chaos of tangled wires and hello to a clean, organized workspace. But what truly sets this keyboard apart is its secret weapon: hot swappable key switches. Imagine having the power to tailor your typing experience without needing to be a tech wizard. You can swap out switches with ease, from clicky to tactile to smooth as butter. It's like having a keyboard that dances to your typing rhythm. But what truly sets this keyboard apart is its secret weapon: hot swappable key switches. Imagine having the power to tailor your typing experience without needing to be a tech wizard. You can swap out switches with ease, from clicky to tactile to smooth as butter. It's like having a keyboard that dances to your typing rhythm. But what truly sets this keyboard apart is its secret weapon: hot swappable key switches. Imagine having the power to tailor your typing experience without needing to be a tech wizard. You can swap out switches with ease, from clicky to tactile to smooth as butter. It's like having a keyboard that dances to your typing rhythm. Number 2. DrunkDeer. First off, affordability is the name of the game here. The DrunkDeer offers a bang for your buck that's hard to beat. It doesn't break the bank, making it an attractive choice for budget-conscious gamers and typists. But it's not just about the price tag. This keyboard has more to offer. Let's talk switches. The heart of any mechanical keyboard lies in its switches, and the DrunkDeer doesn't disappoint. Whether you prefer the tactile feedback of Cherry Max, the clickiness of Kale, or its proprietary switches, you'll find something to suit your typing style. Now, build quality matters, especially if you're looking for a keyboard that'll withstand hours of gaming or work. The DrunkDeer is no slouch in this department. It's designed to endure, constructed with sturdy materials that promise durability. Customization is another feather in its cap. Personalization is key, and this keyboard offers customizable options, allowing you to program keys or set up eye-catching RGB lighting effects that match your style. Comfort is crucial for those marathon gaming sessions or long work hours. The DrunkDeer takes this seriously with an ergonomic design that ensures you won't be reaching for the aspirin after a long session. Number 1. Keychron K10. What sets the K10 apart is its hot swappable switches. No soldering required. This means you can easily experiment with different mechanical switch types, finding the one that suits your typing style best. Speaking of switches, Keychron offers a variety of options from the smooth Keychron to their own custom switches. So, whether you crave tactile feedback, satisfying clicks, or a smooth linear feel, there's a switch for you. The K10 is like a bridge between worlds. It's designed to work seamlessly with both Mac and Windows operating systems. Simply toggle between the two and you're good to go. In the age of minimalism, the K10's compact, 10-keyless design stands out. It's portable and takes up less desk real estate, making it perfect for those on the move or with lidded workspace. Keychron keyboards are known for their durability, and the K10 doesn't disappoint. Crafted with a solid aluminum frame, it not only feels premium but can withstand the test of time. Find keyboard that suits you the most and enjoy. All links will be down below, and check out our other videos that pop up on screen. Like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.